everyone, it's born to be a florist by Nan today. We use size 12 inches wreath to create it. So what today I use is white roses, purple lissy, and I like to use double lissy as well. And then for green kermit chrysanthemums, and then white stallion chrysanthemums, and also I use white bouvardia and that silver queen or pittosporums. And another piece, this is of the green eucalyptus, and another different type of pittosporums, and also will be a little bit touch of hard ruscus. All that description will be below of the video. Let me start it. I'm going to use the white avalanche roses, and it's just perfect for the open, so to send. And then we start at the top. I'm going to use for 5 white roses. That's just perfect for the shape. So, and then this another. And one is a stem, it's number 4 now. Okay, and if you see the gap is a bit, not perfect, you can move. We use another one more stem of roses here. The petal outside, if they not look good, you can peel them out and then help them to open. And you don't want them too high, because it's another flower going to follow after. Then next will be lisianthus. These very beautiful purple flowers of the lissy. So I fill this gap. Yeah. So as you can see here, turn around. Try to use the open one to get them a little bit out. Yeah. And stick them on a green oasis ring. We just stick on there, as you can see here. Yeah. I use every single part or every single stem of lisianthus as much as I can, because even the bud of the flowers is still beautiful on it. The lisianthus put on here. See? So the next of the flowers, what I have to put it on will be bouvardia. So I'm going to use 5 stems of bouvardia also. Doesn't take you long. They will be finished in no time. Yeah, there you go. You can see. Yeah. And then next step, I put the white stallion's chrysanthemum. So here, yeah. Wow. I use every single bit of the stem, as you can see. Yeah. Almost done now. Don't forget to, if you like my video, please press like and share, and don't forget to subscribe for you not missing any another video is coming. Right. So now I'm gonna maybe I'm gonna use 3 or 4 stem of kermit chrysanthemum. So let's start with the 3 stem first. And again, use every bud of the flowers. This is a beautiful kermit chrysanthemum. Okay, now gonna tack the green chrysanthemums on. Okay, so, and then fill the gap. And then after you finish all, what you have to do, you fill all this gap with greenery or foliage. Then that be done. So another one, yeah. And that's it. Look at this. Look at this. Very beautiful, aren't they? So I'm gonna fill the gap with pittosporums of it's called silver queens in English. Okay, then I will finish it with the hard ruscus. Let me check the gap. Let me tell. So look, is there any gap more? Yes, here. Where you go? Oh, that's done. This is a classic of purple and white wreath. So hope you like it and enjoy my video. And don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to missing anything of my video. And look forward to see you in next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.